Hi everyone, I'm Robinson from Hindustan Times Tech. Samsung recently launched two mid-range smartphones in India, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite and the S10 Lite. The one that we have right now with us is the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, which comes in two variants on the basis of 6GB and 8GB of RAM. So we already have videos on its unboxing and camera features. Right now, we'll be talking about the top features of the Note 10 Lite smartphone. So let's get started. So this is the smartphone, and let's just switch it on and set it up. You can see the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite branding right here. So while this smartphone sets up, let us just take a look at the design. So at the bottom you can see that there's a 3.5mm headphone jack along with the USB Type-C port, a mono speaker, and this is the S Pen. So on the side you can see that there's a power button and the volume rockers, while on the left side you can see that there's a SIM tray tool. And at the back you can see that this is the Aura Glow color variant. Again, you can get this in red and blue color variants as well. And you can also see that there are three cameras at the back along with the LED flash inside a rectangular enclosure. At the front you can see that this is a punch hole screen, which Samsung calls it as the Infinity O display. And inside the cutout there is a front facing camera as well, about which we'll talk in a while. As for the display, this is a 6.7-inch screen, and inside this you get Full HD Plus screen resolution. If you see in settings, you can also move this. You can also enable the dark mode. So powering the smartphone is the octa-core processor, and as you can see, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is running Android 10 based One UI 2.0 version with Knox version 3.4.1. And along with the processor, you can see that the device care section shows you the battery, storage, memory and security details. This smartphone comes with 6GB of RAM with 128GB inbuilt storage, and the other variant comes with 8GB of RAM with 128GB inbuilt storage. And you can also increase the storage size up to 1TB using the microSD card. And if we talk about the battery of this device, like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, this also has a 4500 mAh battery that is claimed to give you around 16 hours of internet usage time and up to 17 hours of Wi-Fi internet usage time. As you can see, this is the battery here, and it says learning usage patterns. You can also change the battery power mode from optimized to medium and to maximum power saving. You can also toggle the adaptive power saving that learns your usage patterns and saves battery as much as it can. And as for the S Pen, you can see that this also has some features enabled. As you can see on the screen, you can press the pen button, which is right here, to take pictures, control music, and it also supports different apps with different functionalities. It also says that you can press this button to open the app or any of the S Pen features that you want. I can even take the pen out and start writing notes. And save it easily and put the pen inside. So besides that, you can also see different notes, Smart Select, doodle it and send it to your friends You can also send live messages through it. And for the camera, you can use the S Pen button to take a picture or record a video. And you can simply move to the front camera by double tapping the button. So guys, those were the top features of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite smartphone. This device comes in two variants, one with 6GB of RAM and one with 8GB of RAM. The one that we have right now is the 8GB RAM variant. If you like the video,